ETECH Simulation. The training is simulated, the skills are real. Welcome to ETECH Simulation, leaders in the development of training and training solutions through the use of state-of-the-art simulators for more than 13 industries, including the drone industry. With ETECH Simulation, the benefits are truly amazing, such as reducing energy and maintenance, maximizing the return on investment, and achieving more efficient training, and above all, in a safe manner. The return on investment is immediate. By reducing expenses on actual flights, consumables, and maintenance, your operations will be more efficient and your training more profitable. Our simulators offer safe and rigorous training in safety protocols, effectively preparing operators to face complex situations in any industry. Our approach accelerates the learning curve and improves efficiency. From complex missions to optimized equipment use, we guarantee you more productive pilots ready for any challenge. In addition to operational benefits, our simulators are an environmentally friendly choice. They produce no toxic emissions, reduce energy consumption, and eliminate waste, contributing to a greener future. Our simulators are adapted to various industries such as defense, agriculture, ports, construction, and many more. In addition, we have our Master Simulation Laboratory, a methodology that combines basic training with the use of advanced simulations, guaranteeing real results in the field. With our master methodology, we offer customized solutions for each industry, guaranteeing comprehensive training tailored to the needs of your team. For this reason, our drone simulator covers everything from basic concepts to advanced missions, ensuring complete and effective training for operators at all levels. Our e-learning LMS platform enables interactive, adaptive, project-based training, ensuring each operator receives the most relevant content and real-time feedback. We also offer comprehensive courses covering everything from manual piloting to automated missions, ensuring your team is prepared for all possible tasks and scenarios. The intuitive interface of our simulators allows any operator, regardless of their level, to easily access training, maximizing effectiveness. With Mission Planner, your team will master autonomous mission planning and execution, taking them to a new level of operational efficiency and complete control over every mission. The software offers complete customization, from generic or geo-specific scenarios to adjustable controls. Each training session can be completely designed to meet your particular demands. Plus, with realistic graphics, exercise editor, and customization options, our simulators offer an immersive experience. We have a wide range of drones, both generic and specific, to simulate all the conditions and scenarios that can make use of each of them. Our high-quality hardware includes Ultra HD monitors, professional controls, and a virtual reality system, providing an immersive and detailed experience for pilots. In addition to hands-on training, we offer STEM projects that allow instructors to delve deeper into aerodynamic analysis, aircraft performance, and flight simulation, developing and sharing their skills to the fullest. We invite you to take your pilot training to the next level with ETECH Simulation. Contact us and discover how to transform technical training with high-level simulation. ETECH Simulation. The training is simulated, the skills are real.